Hey folks, welcome back. This is a solar array I put up, and it's been up here for about 10 years. And one of the things I noticed is that the panels have decreased in efficiency over that period of time. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix this. One thing I noticed about these panels is they form this layer of grunge. It's a grimy substance on the surface of the panels, and it won't wash off. You can't wash it off. You can't wipe it off. And even a pressure washer won't get rid of it. And I've tried organic solvents, and they work partially, but they don't get rid of all of it. And it's a lot of scrubbing work, even using a solvent such as acetone. But I just came across a way of cleaning these things really well. And it uses a blade. Basically, this is a blade out of my utility knife, and I've just got it in this vice grip. And it's as simple as doing this. Watch this. You'll see the residue coming right off. Watch this. See that black stuff collecting? That stuff is impossible to wash off. It's soluble in just about everything. It doesn't dissolve in anything. Nothing takes that off except this blade, and I found out. I just treated those 4 panels already, and I've got them to, the voltage has already gone up on them. So I know that it's improved, and I bet those are going to be back to factory specs or close to. But it takes off this nasty material just like that. And then the stuff is like a dust. It just blows away in the wind, or you can just wash it off or wipe it off. But it's real easy to do. And it's kind of satisfying to know that I can get these panels close to where they were when I just bought them. But this stuff decreases the light efficiency a lot. And this saves a lot of hard scrubbing. So there you go. I'm going to do that one next, and I'm going to test these out. But just wanted to share that tip with you. If you have a solar array and you want to get it clean, that's the way to do it. I haven't seen anyone talk about using a blade to scrape off grunge, but that sure does work with solar panels. Look at all that residue scraped off from the glass on this one, and now it's pretty much cleaned up. Okay, just did this last panel actually, and look how much dirt came off of it. So there you go, a quick and easy way to clean up these panels and improve efficiency. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've got any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.